Hi guys! Welcome to today's lesson. Have you ever wondered what makes a sentence move? We'll learn that in today's class. As we proceed, kindly subscribe to this channel. What makes a sentence move? Verbs. Yes, verbs. Verbs are the action words. They tell us what now is doing, being, or having. Think of a verb as the engine of a sentence. Examples: we have action verbs, being verbs, and helping verbs. Action verbs. They show actions such as running, jumping, singing, dancing. We have being verbs. Examples are is, are. These verbs describe a state of being. Finally, we have helping verbs. Examples are have, do, can. These verbs help the main verbs. They are also called auxiliary verbs. Let's find the verbs in a sentence. The cat ran after the ball. The cat ran after the ball. What's the action? Ran, yes, that's the verb. Or, she's happy. She is happy. Is the verb that describes a state of being. Look for the action in every sentence you read. You'll see that a sentence can exist without a verb. See you in our next video. Bye!